What if I told you that your words have the power to rewrite your financial destiny? That, by simply changing what you say daily, you can attract wealth, opportunities, and abundance effortlessly. It's their mindset. And today, I'll teach you the exact wealth affirmations that millionaires use daily. The difference between those who struggle and those who thrive isn't luck. Harvard research shows that affirmations physically rewire your brain. When you repeat empowering money beliefs, your subconscious starts seeking opportunities to match them. But here's the catch. Most people do affirmations wrong. They say things like, "I am rich," while deep down, they don't believe it. That creates resistance. The key is alignment. Your words, emotions, and beliefs must sync. And that's where wealth frequency tracks come in. These are the 5 wealth affirmations that have helped our clients manifest 6-figure incomes, unexpected windfalls, and financial freedom. 1. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. 2. I am a magnet for wealth and opportunities. 3. Every dollar I spend comes back multiplied. 4. I deserve abundance, and I accept it now. 5. My income grows exponentially every day. Say these daily. But there's a secret way to make them work 10x faster. If you've tried affirmations before and didn't see results, it's not your fault. The problem is subconscious resistance. Your subconscious has old money blocks, like money is hard to get, or rich people are greedy. Until you erase those, affirmations won't stick while you listen. That's why wealth frequency tracks use binaural beats plus subliminal reprogramming to remove limiting beliefs, checks business deals, closing effortlessly in 4. More wealth tips mindset shift where money just flows to them. The wealth frequency tracks are the fastest way to do it. And right now, you can get 50% OFF, but only for the next 24 hours. Mail our tracks combine. Asterisk, binaural beats, subliminal affirmations, wealth attracting frequencies. Clients report. Asterisk, unexpected bigger A. If you're serious about changing your money story, click the link in description to start reprogramming your mind for wealth today. Your future self will thank you. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom. And it starts in your mind. Subscribe.